Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color this big giant cupcake. And like to subscribe.
Yes. Subscribe to Amira's channel. That is like Amira. Okay, so you are done with one strawberry.
Yes.
Okay.
Now the second strawberry. Pink color.
Oh wow. Yummy, yummy strawberry. Wow, this strawberry is looking so cute.
Guys, we are done with strawberries. Now let's color cherries.
Cherries. Wow, I like cherries. I think everyone likes to eat cherries.
Yes, everyone likes cherries. Yes, everyone likes cherries. So guys, we are done with red color. Now let's color green color to. So guys, I am done with red color. Now let's color the light green color to the stem.
Stem and the leaves.
Yes.
Cherries. Yummy and tasty fruit. Okay.
So guys, I am done with light green color. Now let's color the bow pink.
What happened? Which color you want to color the bow?
So guys, now I'm done with light green color. Now let's color dark pink color to the bow.
Okay, so finally you selected dark pink color for the bow.
Yes.
This is really good color, Amira.
Yes.
The bow is looking beautiful. Do it little slower when you are at the border, okay?
Okay.
Yes, now you can do fast. Wow. Wow. This pink is looking beautiful. I also want a pink color bow.
I also have it.
Oh yes, wow, this is so beautiful, Amira. Wow. I also want it.
Don't worry, I have two.
Okay, so are you going to share that bow with me?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much. careful. You are going inside the green leaves of strawberry. So you are almost done, Amira. Very nice and very beautiful selection of colors.
So guys, I'm done with dark pink.
Okay, so here your cupcake is ready, Amira.
Yes.
Wow, look at this big and beautiful cupcake.
Guys, look at my coloring.
Wow, look at this, guys. Such a beautiful big cupcake it is. And there are different colors. Wow, these are red, orange, yellow, light green, dark blue, light blue and purple. And this cute little bow, strawberries and cherries. Wow, Amira, you did a very good job. And look at this cherry on the top. So beautiful. Wow, and look at this, so many colors Amira has. Wow. Very nice. Good job, Amira.
If you like my coloring video and coloring, hit the like button, like, share, subscribe. Bye, and don't forget to share videos with your friends and families. Bye.
And definitely select this cupcake coloring for your next cupcake on your birthday. Right, Amira?
Yes.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.